Hey guys, welcome back to Six Sister Stuff. Today I'm making fried chicken in the air fryer. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kristen. I am sister number 2 from SixSistersStuff.com. Today I'm teaming up with Avalon Bay air fryers. Now, if you are trying to eat a little bit healthier and you loved fried food as much as I do, this is a way to get your fried food fix with something that's healthy. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little intimidated by the air fryer, but once I read the instructions and saw how easy it was to do it, my husband is gonna be so excited because we're gonna have fried food all the time, but not deep fried food, air fried food. This recipe takes about 22 minutes from start to finish, and you can cook all kinds of things in here. Today I'm making the fried chicken. Next week I'm gonna make some onion rings. Before I get started on showing you my air fried chicken, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's head on over to the kitchen and make this Parmesan fried chicken. All right, I got all my stuff here and we're gonna start with a glass bowl. I'm gonna dump in 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and last but not least, we're gonna add about 2 cloves of garlic or about 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic in the jar. And those are the only ingredients. So I know what you're thinking, this is gonna be really dry, but it actually turns out perfect. So make sure you just mix all the salt and pepper and the garlic in together with the cheese. Once it's all mixed, you're gonna take your air fryer and just pull out the bottom. Now, it's really lightweight. I can really just move it with one hand, which is really nice because some appliances are heavy duty, but this one is light. So I've just pulled it out. Now, because I am doing chicken, I'm just gonna leave that rack inside of my air fryer and I'm gonna put my chicken right on top of it. Now to get my chicken ready. So I have about 2 pounds of chicken wings. You can also use drumsticks, you can use chicken breasts, but today I'm gonna try the chicken wings. So I patted dry my chicken and then I put it in the cheese mixture and just kind of spread the cheese around. You can see that I'm putting it on top, pushing it on pretty well, just so you can have some Parmesan in each bite. Now, these chicken wings are actually really big, so I can only fit 3 in my air fryer, but drumsticks, I can fit about 10 of them in there. Then, when you're all done, you're just gonna pop it right in to the air fryer. Now, this is the easiest part. You're just gonna push power. Now, with the fried chicken, I'm actually gonna go up to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna go up to 18 minutes. Then you're gonna push the play button. And you can see that little fan twirling, that means you did it right. So you're gonna let your chicken cook for about 9 minutes in your air fryer. Then, so when it hits 9 minutes, I'm going to open it up and flip my chicken. Now you can see it's 9 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and push pause and open it up. Now opening it up does not affect your cooking time at all. You can check on your chicken like you would check on an oven. You are going to lose a little bit of temperature, but it will heat back up. So now I'm just going to flip my chicken. So it's cooked really well on one side. Now I just want it to fry on the other side. Now when you're done flipping them, you just close it and you go ahead and just push the play button again. It is called a start button, but it looks like a play button, so that's what I'm calling it. All right, when it's all done, you just pull it out and use some tongs to put it onto your serving plate. You might have to wait a few minutes for them to cool because they are really hot. Now, my only advice when using the air fryer, I would suggest first spraying it with Pam or non-stick cooking spray because getting the chicken off would be a whole lot easier and cleanup would be a lot easier too. Well, guys, there you have it, air fried chicken wings, and it really is as easy as it looks. Thank you for you. I'm also going to put the printable recipe in the description. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. See you later.